Hi, this is Olivia's Adventure. After Cat Cat Village, we are now here in Moana Coffee and we can look around and take pictures here. It's a very beautiful place to explore. And after that, this is the night view. And this is our first dinner here in Sapa. We had a very delicious dinner. It's hot pot. Yeah, we have a lot of, there's wine pa. Ayan, this is the food that we are served tonight. A lot of fruits and noodles and meat. It's very cold. It's 9 degrees because the time we were there, it's still winter. And as our meal consists of ano din, seafood, chicken, balls, vegetables, corn, tofu, yan, may meat, yan, meat and ano, shrimp. And cheers for our first dinner. Good morning for our breakfast. There's pho, pho in the morning, and soup and noodles. And then this is the omelette station, eggs. The buffet here is quite good. There are a lot of choices. This is the juice, the milk. There's soya milk. These are fruit salad, parang dessert ata ito, and cereal ata. And there's yogurt. And this is the fruit salad, the vegetable salad, tomatoes and veggies. We enjoyed the breakfast here. It's very delicious and a lot of food to choose from. And there's mapo tofu, and this is the noodles and hot dog. Bacon, yan. One of my favorite bacon. Kailangan may bacon sa breakfast. Veggies, bok choy, soup, cream soup. Tapos bread, french fries, nuggets, mantou, cold cuts, ham, cheese, butter, spreads, fruit spreads. And this is the bread station with yung painit ng bread toaster. And this is the dessert. Muffin, fruits, watermelon, guava, and dragon fruit. Dami talaga dito, masarap to. Ito yung the best. Yung first breakfast namin, the best. Yan, fried rice. Talaga ang dami eh. Pero sandali lang kami, nagmamadali kami kumain. What's this?
May ko'y park.
Ay, kung si Kate Noodle. Ako Kate Noodle.
Sige, ko na bread. Beti ako, Rai.
Oh.
After breakfast, we are on our way to Fancy Pan. And this is the downtown area. Parang malapit lang naman yung hotel, but kailangan sumakay pa rin. Ito yung downtown area. Foggy siya kasi winter pa nung pumunta kami. This is a late post. Yan, foggy. Pero masarap ang weather that time kahit foggy, I think. At saka maulan-ulan kapag
It's foggy right now here in Sapa. Ay? There's nothing. It's foggy. Di maampit wala. Siyempre, no?